Hi, and welcome to my tutorial for Robot Studio. As we can see here, this is a pick and place for stacking two different objects. This flexible manufacturing cell would be in a scenario where each conveyor belt is fed by two different items, and for whatever reason, this one needs to be stacked below the one that comes on that conveyor belt. For the sake of this simulation, though, they're the same size product. But what happens is that this will be stacked beneath and this one will be stacked on top. So the first step to creating this simulation was importing the robot that was needed for the job, attaching the tool, and then importing all the geometry such as the conveyor belts, the pallet, and the packages. After that, you need to create the target point. So each coordinate that is necessary to do all the movements needed for the task, and then just adding each one by one in the order that you need. Obviously, here you can use the same target point twice, but yeah, just doing it in the order that enables the movement to be free of interference and to be done correctly. After that, so that creates the movement, but to simulate the attachment of the object to the robot, you need to create a control with some logic. So first you compose, you add an attacher to attach the first box, and then a detacher to detach that box, and then collision sensors to sense when to attach and when to detach, some positioners to reset the simulation, and then some attaches and detaches, collision sensors and positioners for the second box. Create an IO signal for the reset, and then here we design the logic. So as you can see, reset just puts the robot back into its original position and the two boxes to their original position. Collision sensor for the first box to attach, and then collision sensor for the second box to detach in the correct position, and then likewise for the second box. And without any further ado, I'll show you this simulation. So just go back to the view and